Dear students of class 12th, nowadays we are learning database management system, and in database management system we are learning the commands, the practical commands which are going to use to operate the tables, to operate the files, to operate the database. So far we have discussed many commands. Today I will be discussing select command and select command with options. Yesterday or in the previous lecture I have discussed select command with many these options like select star from the table when we want to view all the records from the table. We select star from the table when we want to view the particular columns. We write the command select the column name as from the table, from and table name. So today let us do some another let us use some another options, other options like जो हमारे पास है एक बिटवीन एक ऑप्शन है. सपोज हम सिलेक्ट कमांड हम चाहते हैं कि एक दिस इज सपोज इज द टेबल लाइंग विद वी पीपल दिस एम टेबल एम्प्लॉयमेंट नेम हियर are 1 2 3 4 5 records and 3 columns, and 1 column is of numeric type, that is salary. Employment number is also a numeric type. Employment name, character type, and salary. Suppose we want to view only those employees which are having salary between 700 and 2000. So for that we will write the command select star means show all the columns. Star means all the columns from table name or the file name, which is emp here, over here. Select star from emp. It will show all the records from the file emp. And when we will put this condition where salary between 700 and 2000, I am putting the condition yes, only show the record of only those employees which are getting salary more than 700 and less than 2000, are equal to are in between 700 and 2000. So the result of this command will be like this. These three records will be displayed, Vijay, Sudhir, and Raj, and obviously only these three employees are getting salary more than 700 and less than 2000 are equal to 2000. That is आप देख सकते हैं लास्ट रिकॉर्ड राज एंड दिस रिकॉर्ड नंबर 103 जो है एम्प्लॉयमेंट कोड इट इज़ गेटिंग 2000, एंड रिकॉर्ड नंबर 102 जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट नंबर है विजय ही इज़ गेटिंग 1800 rupees. So the only three records will be shown over here. So when we want to view the records of only those employees which are falling within a range. So within a range means from which are getting those who are getting salary between 700 and 2000. We can view those only those employees with the help of select command. Select star from employment table wire salary between 1700 and 2000. So this command helps us to view only those the records of only those employees which are fulfilling some condition and between a range. So there is another option which we can use with select command, distinct. Distinct means only those records will be displayed which are distinct. Suppose there are always redundancy of names in it. There will be when we will be having the table of 100 employees, there will be 3 or 4 employees having the same name, but there will be difference in the employment code, but the name can be same for many employees. So when we want to display only those records uh, which are not duplicate. So distinct means if the same name is existing in the file 5 times, only once it will be displayed, only one name it will be displayed. The redundant records will not be shown. So we can use this command select distinct column name means from table name. This is the command select distinct column name from table name. So as you can see, we are now able to see use this between command with select command and distinct command with select command. Now let us use some another when we want to do some mathematics on our tables. Can we do it? Yes, we can do it. Acha, let us first see what will be the result of this distinct command. Only these 4 records will be displayed because they are distinct. अदरवाइज आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, यहाँ पर 5 रिकॉर्ड्स थे। देखो राज 2 बार था, यहाँ पर देख सकते हो राज 2 बार था, और विजय तो एक ही बार है, सुधीर शेखर। ओनली 4 records will be displayed because Raj जो 2 बार था that will be displayed only once. This is the benefit of using distinct this option. So in the aggregate, when we do want to do some mathematics on our this with select command, we can get average of a column. Suppose salary column average, how many, what is the average of the salary, count max min, यानी max जो है ना maximum salary कौन लेता है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा salary, सबसे ज़्यादा salary कौन लेता है, we can ascertain that very record. We can ascertain that very employee which is getting the minimum salary. We can ascertain, we can sum up the salary column and this salary column. So what, how can I use this? Select, suppose max means max salary. Salary is the name of the field. I can select here salary from table name. So jinki salary maximum hai, only those employees will be shown. Suppose this is the table which we are having. Here are 5 records. The maximum salary is over here is 2000. So this only 2000 will be shown. Means maximum जो सबसे ज़्यादा लेता है वही शो करो, that is 2000. इस तरह मिनिमम भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, एवरेज भी निकाल सकते हो, सम भी निकाल सकते हो। तो मुझे लगता है दीज मैथमेटिकल फंक्शंस यू कैन यूज़, यू शुड नो द फॉर्मेट। सिलेक्ट मैक्स और सिलेक्ट एवरेज आप कर सकते हो। कॉलम नेम सिलेक्ट एवरेज, यहाँ मैक्स के बजाय एवरेज। कॉलम नेम मीन्स सैलरी, यानी न्यूमेरिक कॉलम का ही हम मैथमेटिक्स उसी पर कर सकते हैं जो न्यूमेरिक होगा। सिलेक्ट एवरेज फ्राम टेबल नेम मीन्स एम्प्लॉय, EMP जो हमने यहाँ रखा है, तो आपको एवरेज आ जाएगा। तो these 4 functions, 5 functions, average, count, max, min, sum, you can use these with like this, जैसे आपने यहाँ पर ये किया है। ये कमांड select maximum salary from employment table, इस तरह select average salary from employment table, you can view the average, select minimum, you can view the minimum salary. So you can use these mathematical function with the select command. I hope you got it. So it's enough for today, and thank you.